This is the latest in running and endurance headlines with Pace Per Mile News and Lisa Knight.
Good morning. Pace Per Mile News for Tuesday, March 18th. A crime scene photographer was cross-examined by lawyers for the 12th day of the murder trial for Oscar Pistorius. Yesterday, police photographer Benny Ben Staden went over pictures he took at Pistorius' home following the shooting death of his girlfriend, Reva Steenkamp, on Valentine's Day last year. Ben Staden testified he took over 900 pictures documenting the crime scene. Pistorius maintains he shot Steenkamp through the locked door of a bathroom, thinking she was an intruder. Federal prosecutors have asked a judge to limit Boston Marathon bombing suspect Dzhokhar Sarnef's access to autopsy photos of the 3 people killed in last year's attack. In court documents filed yesterday, prosecutors said allowing the man accused of killing them to see photos of their mutilated bodies would violate the victims' rights to dignity and privacy and subject their families to needless harm and suffering. A runner collapsed unconscious and not breathing after crossing the finish line at Sunday's half marathon in New York City. Another runner, Dr. Lau of Portland, just happened to be crossing the finish line at the same time. He dropped to the ground and helped the 43-year-old breathe by opening his airwaves while another woman performed chest compressions. Paramedics then took the man to the hospital after he began breathing again and his pulse returned. Reports are that he was alert, awake, and stable yesterday. The Atlanta Track Club has announced the 5 finalists for the 2014 AJC Peachtree Road Race T-shirt design contest. The finalists, which include 2 University of West Georgia students and 2 local artists, were selected by a panel of judges representing the Atlanta Track Club, the Atlanta Journal-Constitution, and local graphic artists. Design finalists are James Balke, Vincent Barone, who has 2 entries nominated, and Kristen Cohn and Natasha Stansel. And the Sarasota Half Marathon is on the grow. 3,860 competitors finished Sunday's race, about 1,000 participant increase from last year, and other races across the country are following suit and seeing rising entry numbers as well. In 2012, there were a record 1.85 million half marathon finishers in the U.S. USA Running will release the 2013 figures in 2 weeks, but officials say they estimate the number for last year to be well over 2 million. That's a look at Pace Per Mile News this morning. I'm Lisa Knight. Go out and make it a great day.